How many of you here have heard other teachings or read about the Merkaba? Good. So, some of you are familiar with that. I wrote on the board the meaning of the word. It's a Hebrew word. It's very centered in the Kabbalah, and the definition is to do with the energy or the life force as we know it, as well with the body. And this is what I love about this word. It includes the body. Most of us have been in so many spiritual paths that has excluded the body. We're not the body. It's beyond the body. But we're shifting. A major shift is happening. I call it a paradigm shift into what's really old, but it's new to us, that everything is energy. Same thing Einstein tried to tell us at the turn of the century, that everything is energy. I know a lot of us have been taught that our body has this auric field. That's partly true, but the real truth is that the auric field has a body. If you stop and think about it just a moment, you'll find out that it is energy coming from higher frequencies into the density to become the physical body. Therefore, the body is an energy system too. Can you say that ice is not steam or water? The ice is as much H2O as water or steam. It's just caught and condensed into an object. And this is what's happened to the world of matter. Matter is energy trapped in the density of a time-space continuum. Now, I'm very right-brained, and right-brain's kind of interesting to really understand. I'm not sure people really understand when we say right and left brain. I know we think of the more mathematical, analytical left brain, but a good example that can help you if you're still kind of wondering about this right and left brain, because the real truth is, if you scientifically look at it, we use both. We're not just right brain or left brain, but we are more dominant one or the other. Left brain would be 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so it's going from detail to the bigger picture. If you're right brain, you go 4 equals 2 groups of 2. Does that make sense to you? So if you're really kind of right-brained or kind of spiritually minded or however, you kind of see the big picture, and then we work back to where we are rather than trying to figure it out where we're going. I'm kind of here today to tell you that I have a big picture idea that I'd like to present to you. I know that through the 5 senses, which you cannot always believe the 5 senses because it completely processes so little bit of data. I just read recently that the brain does about 400 million things at a time, and we receive about 2,000 of them, but the brain only deals with about 9 bits of data at a time. If that's even near true, what that means is what I'm seeing, feeling, hearing, touching is so minute, such a small amount of reality, that how can I base the whole truth on it? So this is why energy is becoming so powerful, because we're expanding our connection to what the truth is into the world of the unseen. And it only means unseen to the 5 senses. It doesn't mean it's not there. It's just unseen to the five senses.